Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to talk about Citadel restricting withdrawals and their new withdrawal limits. Obviously, I also want to talk about AMC's new shareholder NFT. I want to break it down a little bit more and tell you how you can get your hands on this NFT, whether you're in the US or in the UK or in Europe or anywhere else in the world. So stay tuned and let's make some money. And now I want to dive straight in with the key information. So, in the early hours of this morning, Aron released a new tweet. Given AMC's Spider-Man NFT success, our first ever NFT, I am thrilled to announce our second ever NFT. All self-identified AMC shareholders who are members of AMC Investor Connect and those who enroll by December 31st, 2021 will get this handsome NFT for free, one per member. Now, this isn't quite the one NFT per share that exists that we're after, but it is a step closer. I told you a few videos ago that Aron can't exactly dive straight into issuing an NFT for each share that exists because it could be considered market manipulation and collusion with us retail investors. We want Aron to issue one NFT for each share that exists in order to squeeze the shorts. But if Aron did that, it would give them a reason to sue Aron for purposely trying to squeeze the shorts and technically manipulating the AMC stock. So, in order to get around that, Aron has to make it look like a genuine business requirement or a genuine business move. And to do that, he has to take it one stepping stone at a time. Why try and run before you can walk? Therefore, he's issued the first NFT for obviously people that went to see the Spider-Man film or are going to see the Spider-Man film. And now he's on to the second NFT, which is to issue one NFT for every shareholder or member of AMC Investor Connect. Now, the next stepping stone after this could be to issue one NFT for every share that exists and is registered with Investor Connect. Then, the final stepping stone would almost be to force one NFT for every share that exists in the entire market, not just what's registered with Investor Connect. But ultimately, I do think this is a brilliant step in the right direction and ultimately is exactly what we've been wanting. But I've noticed that some people are having problems either registering their interest for the NFT because whether they're in the UK or overseas, or they're just having genuine problems. So I wanted to try and clear some of that up. Aron obviously followed this tweet by saying it is our intent that international AMC shareholders can get the new I Own AMC NFT, including you in Canada, the UK, continental Europe, the Middle East and other countries. As some are reporting difficulty in doing so, I will ask my IT group to make it easier for you. Stay tuned. So while Aron is liaising with his IT group to try and make it easier, in the meantime, I do have another solution that you can implement right now to register your interest for the NFT. So the Kilted trader is tweeted saying, for those in the UK and elsewhere, connect to AMC Investor Connect website via a VPN. If you don't already have a VPN, there's tons and tons of free VPNs that you can download or VPNs that have a very low fee. Two of the most popular ones obviously are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. I personally use Surfshark, which is another VPN service, and personally I've never had any problems using Surfshark. The reason why you need a VPN is in order to cloak your IP address to make it appear that you're actually in the US at the moment, when in fact you're in the UK, or in Spain, or Portugal, or Germany, or the Netherlands, or whatever country you might be residing in. So once you've downloaded your VPN, you make yourself appear like you're in the United States, then you go to the AMC website, select your country and follow the instructions for the I Own AMC NFT. Also guys, if you didn't already know, I personally use BlockFi to invest in cryptocurrency. Not only can you just buy some Bitcoin, but you can also earn interest on your deposits up to 9.5% per year, paid in Bitcoin. Therefore, you can continue to accumulate more and more and more Bitcoin. If you sign up to BlockFi using my link in the description below, you can currently get up to $250 in free Bitcoin just for signing up and making your first deposit. BlockFi also offer a rewards credit card with an introductory rate of 3.5% cashback on your purchases also paid in crypto. So again, you can accumulate more Bitcoin rather than just buying it and leaving it there. And when you've generated a massive profit on your investment, instead of having to sell off your Bitcoin or your Shiba Inu or your Loop Ring or whatever it may be, and potentially missing out on the next run up, you can just take out a crypto-backed loan. That way you can get cash for a new car, a new house, or to pay down some debts, but you don't have to sell off your crypto. So I basically wanted to walk you through the steps exactly to make it super easy to get your NFT. Obviously, most of you know that I'm based in the UK and living in the UK. I've got my VPN active and I've just opened the link from Aron's tweet in a new tab. Here it is. It takes me to the AMC Theatre's website. Now, I usually can't get on this website because obviously I'm based in the UK, but I can when I have my VPN active. When you then scroll down, it asks if you're an investor outside of the United States. All you need to do is give your country of residence and input your email address. Once you've done so, you'll get a message saying thank you. To take advantage of Investor Connect rewards, please join the My Odeon scheme here. Once you've signed up, please email us at gs@odeon.co.uk with AMC Shareholder in the subject line using your My Odeon email address. Here's the example from the Kilted trader. He's got AMC stockholder as the email title and he says, "Good afternoon. As per the AMC Investor Connect page's instructions, I am emailing to be eligible for the NFT. Hope whoever reading this is having a good day." So Aron also tweeted saying AMC Investor Connect is designed to communicate with investors in AMC. It is absolutely free for our shareholders to enroll. Do so by December 31st, 2021 and you'll also get our new NFT. Here are the details. Now I do find it very interesting that in pretty much all of Aron's recent tweets about this NFT, he's been very specific about the date of December 31st, 2021. There it is in this tweet, and here it is again in this tweet. I do think the December 31st date has some significance. What significance it is, I'm not 100% sure right now. Obviously you have to sign up before December 31st to get your NFT, but maybe it has something to do with the shares that are in issue and maybe they're counted and totaled at the year end. Now interestingly, this new NFT will be delivered by the Worldwide Asset Exchange or WAX. Now this is very, very interesting because it means that WAX will know exactly how many NFTs have been issued. With the previous Spider-Man NFT, obviously it was capped at only 86,000 NFTs. With this NFT, there's theoretically an unlimited amount of NFTs that can be issued and it will be managed and counted by WAX. Now this is pretty much exactly what Mark Hoders has been talking about. Obviously he's been talking about using the T0 platform, but WAX is pretty much the exact same thing. It's just going to be a platform that will issue the NFT and it will keep a record of exactly how many NFTs have been issued, which obviously could be very, very favourable to us. If WAX end up issuing 1 billion or 2 billion NFTs, then obviously Aron is going to know that more NFTs have been issued, meaning there's more shareholders than the entire flow. Now I don't think this will happen this time round because obviously it's only one NFT per one shareholder, but in the future they may issue one NFT for every one share that exists. Aron said after our first NFT was met with such enthusiasm earlier this week, there was no doubt we would embark on issuing another NFT and that we would do so quickly. This Own AMC NFT is AMC's second NFT and I can say with certainty that there will be more NFTs in AMC's future, which obviously is exactly what we've wanted. Now I also wanted to talk about Citadel restricting investor withdrawals and their new withdrawal limits. Rizzo tweeted saying, "Breaking, Citadel updated its liquidity terms for all investors, limiting quarterly withdrawals to 6.25%, meaning it'd take 4 years to fully pull out unless a large fee is paid." So beforehand, Citadel let you withdraw 10% per quarter without a fee, meaning it'd take about 2.5 years to withdraw your money. Now, 6.25% per quarter without a fee, meaning it will take 4 years unless you pay that hefty fee. But interestingly, Citadel aren't the only hedge fund or institution that are limiting investor withdrawals. Millennium Fund have reduced theirs from 25% a quarter meaning it'd take 1 year, to 5% a quarter, meaning over 4 years. Verition, again, down from 25% a quarter to only 8.33 per quarter. Schoenfeld from a 1 year lockup period to 8.33% per quarter. And Hudson Pay down from 25% per quarter to 6.5% per quarter. This means that these hedge funds are taking on massive losses and don't want investors to withdraw their cash. It also means that these hedge funds are very scared of what's going on in the market and don't want investors to panic and obviously withdraw their cash. Because if investors withdraw their cash, because these funds are most likely very heavily leveraged, we know that Citadel are leveraged by 6.8 times to 1. I don't know how much leverage the rest of these funds have, but I assume it's large. Because their leverage is so large, if an investor wants to withdraw $1 million, it means that Citadel have to sell off $6.8 million in stocks. And obviously, if investors are panicking, investors aren't just going to withdraw $1 million, they'll withdraw $100 million, $1 billion, maybe even $10 billion. Therefore, Citadel could potentially have to sell off $68 billion worth of stocks or cover $68 billion worth of their short positions. Now, I thought the introduction to this article was absolutely brilliant. Citadel has vaporized almost 50% of its clients' capital so far this year. Now, after insisting for months that its liquidity is strong, the firm is adding to the pain by refusing to allow its clients to withdraw their remaining funds until at least the end of March. Now, at first glance, you might think that these articles are the exact same articles, but interestingly, they're not. There is a very critical difference. This article was written today, Monday the 6th of December, 2021. And this second article was actually written December the 14th, 2008. Therefore, Citadel is currently using the exact same trick that they used back in 2008 to stop investors withdrawing cash. The last time Citadel used this trick, back in 2008, it had vaporized 50% of its clients' capital. I wonder just how much money Citadel has vaporized this year, whether it's 50% or maybe it's even more. Now, why might these funds be scared of what's going on in the market? So scared, in fact, that they're stopping investors or limiting investors from withdrawing cash. Now, if you didn't already see, Evergrande stock fell by another 19.56% in today's one-day trading. Obviously, this comes after Evergrande formally announced their bankruptcy. Now, over the last 6 months, this 1.81 Hong Kong dollars is the lowest the Evergrande stock has been. On Tuesday, the 21st of September, it dropped to $2.27, and again here it was around $2.28 on the 8th of November. This is the first time it's dropped below and closed below $2, obviously from an all-time high of around $17.26. Now, you may remember Marco Meltzer as the guy that's been talking a lot about Evergrande's default and how he submitted a winding up petition for Evergrande. But he also believes that AMC and GameStop is the only hedge against the current market crash. Let me tell you a bit more. Marco Meltzer posted saying the last opportunity to hedge against the crash and even benefit from it. The financial meltdown just started some days ago, as you already know. The markets are still as extremely overvalued and leveraged at high levels. This will change very soon. Now is the last opportunity to sell shares and bonds as well as most of cryptocurrencies. There is one exception to this: go long on AMC and GameStop, and cryptocurrencies backed with AMC and GameStop, such as Loopring, for example. My own funds, as in his own personal wealth, is bundled into his investment firm, Financial Market Partners Capital. 2 weeks ago, I went short with all of my funds buying put options on market indices worldwide, with a strike price below 50% of current values. After the market has crashed by more than 50%, and by then many banks will go into default, I will sell the put options. With the capital gains, I will buy gold. This tangible gold will be stored in Liechtenstein, the home base for my FMPC capital investment firm. The stored gold will be the collateral for a new stablecoin which is fully convertible into physical gold stored in Liechtenstein. At this time, all market participants will have lost faith in the existing currencies, and trust has to be built up going back to a gold standard. The new stablecoin will be the ground for a start into the new economic world after the Great Reset. I personally think it's brilliant that Marco Meltzer believes so heavily in AMC and GameStop and believes heavily in the current market crash. Guys, be sure to let me know in the comments below what you think about Citadel restricting investor withdrawals and AMC's new shareholder NFT. And guys, if you want to stay up to date with all of my new stock and crypto picks, or if you just want some help with AMC and GameStop, be sure to check out the Patreon and the private Discord, linked in the description below, and become part of the team. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!